What's going on, guys? Welcome to another edition of Baggers and BS. So today, I received these in the mail. I thought it would be something fun to switch up that the stupid plug that Harley gives you that goes into your power outlet. Now, I figured I'd replace it with a nice fire missile or one of the others that I got off Amazon. I thought it'd be something cool, fun, quick little project. Figured it would take me all of 13 seconds, maybe, maybe a minute or two to swap out, pull this out, and just replace it. Everybody knows because it's always dangling on road glides. Anyway, so in typical fashion, my luck, and I don't know, maybe it's a Harley thing, it just wasn't the case. You zoom in over here, you'll see that when I went to grab this, it came out completely, the lighter switch. So it turns out that the whole plug came out. As you can see, that just fell out. And somewhere along the line, I guess the ring where it ties in vibrated loose, and that was the end result. So, as you can see, come around the other side, this is where we are. Leaky bag. It turned into a leaky bag. Listen, it's not nothing major, it's not the worst thing in the world. It's just my luck that, like I said, I don't think it's a Harley thing either. I'm just talking crap. But as you can see, it went from plugging this in and making a quick short or a video and saying, hey, check out these buttons that I got on Amazon, to, all right, we're gonna spend some time in a freezing cold garage and take the front fairing off. Anyway, so that's where I'm at right now. I'm gonna go ahead and fix this, get it fixed up right, and put in the button, show you the end result. So hang tight. I'll show you, everybody knows how to take this stuff apart, and it's not a big deal, but I'll be back shortly to show you guys the finished results. All right, guys? Stand by for firing a missile. All right, guys, so I'm kind of just finger tightening some of these T25s, and then gonna adjust the fairing, and I mean, we're pretty much done. I gotta put this front piece back. Listen, it's like I said, this isn't brain surgery. I'm not exactly mechanically inclined, but I'm pretty much like a giant hairless monkey. So if I can do this, anybody can do this. But that being said, this is what your end result is gonna be like. I thought it was pretty cool. Just something different instead of having this crappy thing hanging out all the time. Because that's exactly what it was doing. It was just hanging out every time I rode. All right, so we're about to wrap this up. Just got to put on the windshield. Oh, you got that other piece. All right, perfect. Oh. Should be pretty cut and dry. And then we'll see what the final product looked like. All right, so it's back together. Everything's done. Like I said, this was not brain surgery. Wasn't anything too crazy. And that was all taken apart for that little button. Something else cool that I got, I shouldn't say cool, something else useful that I found on Amazon was this. All right, so the other cool thing I got was these cooling skull cap. It's a multi-pack on Amazon. So they're basically, I mean, anybody can wear them. It just prevents you, I guess, from sweating up your helmet. It wicks away. It's almost like dry fit, and it whisks away the, I guess, the sweat when you put it on. So I thought they were pretty cool. I'm not one to wear stuff on my head except the hat, but that's it. You put it on before your helmet, especially if you're bald. I think these work good. They wick away the sweat, especially me, like I sweat a ton. So I'll be wearing these this summer. I'm not sponsored by anybody or anything. I'm just saying, just wanted to make this video. I thought it was something cool that I found alongside those buttons. And those buttons, you can also use them in your car if you want to. But anyway, so that's pretty much it for Baggers and BS on a cold Wednesday night. Guess it's not that cold. Anyway, stay safe. Keep it on twos. Rubber side down. God bless, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And there'll be more content coming real soon. Later.